Admittedly, lahat naman tayo may kayabangan. There are times ayaw natin makipag-usap sa tao, not because we're tired, not because we don't have the confidence, not because we're incompetent, but it's simply because ayaw natin pag-aksayahan ng oras itong klaseng taong ito. Feel natin na itong taong to wala tong kwenta. Sayang lang ang laway natin. Kilala ko yan. Simula pagkabata pa lang. Ganong klase siyang tao. Hindi siya okay. Whatever the reason is, sometimes nga ayaw mo lang yung sa itsura niya, sa pagmumukha niya, yung balat niya, whatever. No? If you have that kind of attitude, that self-righteous, morally superior, or probably physical superiority towards a certain person, then you have a very big problem when it comes to evangelism. Why? Because let me bring you to Matthew chapter 7 verse 1. Ang sabi sa atin ng Panginoon dito, judge not so that you will not be judged. Now, oftentimes, naririnig ko, ginagamit ito ng mga kung sino-sino to justify na hindi dapat sila pinagsasabihan ng mga Kristiyano. Dapat hindi mo kami pinagsasabihan. Sino ka ba? Wala ka namang karapatan para sabihin na mali ang ginagawa namin. Well, you shouldn't be using this because you shouldn't be using any verses in the Bible to justify living sinful lifestyles, no? In fact, Jesus told us to call out sins. We should be warning people kapag ang ginagawa ng isang tao ay labag sa kalooban ng Panginoon. Now, having said that, let me just go back. Ano ba ang context dito? You have to remember that Jesus is talking to the disciples. One of these days, the disciples will be sent out to preach the gospels. They will be sent out to different kinds of people. To the Gentiles, to the Jews, to the tax collector, to murderers, to thieves, to robbers, to whoever. But the thing is this, some people, okay sa kanila. Some people, hindi nila type. Now, for these people na gusto nila, there's not going to be a problem for them to preach the gospel, to tell them about the good news, no? Balik loob na kayo sa Panginoon and everything. But for certain people na hindi nila gusto, yung mga taong pakiramdam nila are unworthy of the grace of God, they're going to hold back. They're not going to tell them, or they're going to hesitate to preach the gospel to them. And Jesus is telling them, if you apply this kind of standard towards them, then I will use the same standard sa'yo. You better remember kung anong klase kang tao nung tinawag kita. You're not perfect. You're not sinless. I called you because I want you to be saved because I love you. And I tell you to go out right now to preach to others of the same thing, of the same kind of love that I want to show to them. And if you don't feel that they are worthy to hear the gospel message, then you are blinded. This self-righteous attitude is blocking you from seeing the reality. Now, if you don't see clearly what kind of person you are, how wretched you are, how can you testify properly of the goodness of God towards others? How can you effectively preach the gospel, evangelize to others to come back to Christ if this is the kind of attitude that you have? You see, the first thing that you need to do is get rid of this attitude to say na itong taong to, okay to. Itong taong to, hindi okay. So, hindi na ako mag-share ng gospel sa kanya. No. Everyone needs to hear the gospel. Everyone has to be given the opportunity to listen to the gospel and make the decision whether or not to follow Jesus Christ. And with that, God bless.